it's McKenna, and this video is about me telling you about my collection of American Girl dolls and what's their names and when I got them and where I got them. And also, I haven't told you guys, but I got a dog. She is about 9 months now. Her name's Lulu. Ow. She's a Havanese. So let's get on to the video. This is Kit Kittredge. And she's wearing her meat outfit. She comes with blousers. And she comes with this belt. Well, not really. This dress, and it's mainly green, and she has freckles and blue eyes, and she has little red shoes, and she is my 6th doll. She is my latest doll, so she's pretty much the youngest in the family. Okay. Now this is Emma. She was my first American Girl doll. She is actually not an American Girl doll. She is a Pleasant Company. Pleasant Company is the company before American Girl was dissolved, and I named her Emma. And I got her on eBay, and I got Kit in Orlando at the American Girl store. And I got her, her name's Pepper. She is Samantha's sister and Kit's Julie's sister over there. I don't think you can see her yet. But Pepper is the, fifth doll I ever gotten. This is my first, and I got her when I was at my grandma's, and we went to a yard sale, and I got her for $3. Okay, oops, sorry, Luke. This is Samantha, and she's wearing a pink dress. And she's wearing, and Emma's wearing Samantha's meat outfit, and these are the clothes she came with Pepper. Also, she's wearing this cute sweater. All the pearls came off by accident, and this is the little coat from the ice skating outfit accessories from American Girl, and she has some cute shoes from our generation. Okay. Oh, and she was my 2nd doll. This was my 3rd doll. It's Leah Clark. And she's wearing her pajamas. And I found these Our Generation earrings. I don't know if you can see them, but they're blue and they're sort of like pearls. And they fit in my doll's ears. And also the reason why she's wearing glasses and a messy bun is because I am shooting a stop motion video. It's going to be coming out soon. It's a mini movie. Go, don't you dare touch my dog. And yeah, she's wearing no shoes. And in the video, she's the mom. And last but not least, Julie. Julie was my 4th doll. I got her in Orlando, and one of my friends shipped Leah Clark to me, and also Samantha to me. I got her in Orlando at the American Girl place, and I got her hair done. The last time I went there. If you want the style, it's called the Sweetheart braid. But sadly, they have to take out her original braid she came with. And her last name's Onright. And she is wearing her original neat shirt and some Crocs from Arjun. I got the Crocs at Michael's. So, Michael's, and I forgot where I got these pants. So, this is my collection, and I hope you enjoyed. Also, I am going to North Carolina soon, and I don't know which American Girl doll should I bring. So comment down below which doll do you think I should bring to North Carolina. Bye!